morning from Dreams Dominicus in La Romana. And what a beautiful day it is. You can hear the ocean lapping up just beside me. Absolutely spectacular. I can hardly wait to begin my day. Isn't that beautiful? It's a pier where people can have private dinners. Last night we watched a family of 10 having a lovely dinner. And this is my view. There's people swimming. And why wouldn't they be? The temperature is perfect. It's about 28 degrees. The sand is so fine. Sky is blue. What more could you ask for? It's Hobie cats, kayaks.
No, ya seguro no está jodiendo tanto.
No, de nada. De nada, de nada.
Pero no vendió en media. Yo he votado que el Cacaroso no vendió a todo. Él no vende, él te dijo que fuera la hambre y que no se jode, porque la no vende.
I have just checked into the Preferred Club Suite, Tropical View at Dreams Dominicus in La Romana. This is a one-bedroom suite with a huge living room, sofa and chair, great for entertaining. They have a lovely bottle of wine and some grapes and prosciutto. There's a station for coffee and mini fridges below. Full-length mirror. Huge bathroom. Great amenities, so you don't have to worry about bringing your soaps and shampoos. Large bathroom. Look at this bedroom. King size bed. Plugins for your devices. Look at the vaulted ceilings. Flat screen TV. Beautiful. Thank you, Dreams. They're treating us with style at Dreams Dominicus La Romana. Champagne, red and white wine, and some fabulous cuisine here. When you come to a Dreams resort, know that you will be treated with style. Fabulous food. We're having dinner on the beach. How wonderful. Good morning. We're at the Chef's Garden where you can get smoothies and energy juice, fresh fruit, all kinds, tortilla, cream cheese, ricotta cheese with parsley, cream cheese with strawberry, and we have assorted ham, sausages and bacon. My favorite, French toast. Doesn't that look delicious? Pancakes and a grill for making omelets. Your style, whatever it is that you would like, they are happy to prepare it for you. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Great assortment of baked goods. Beef stew, carrot with garlic, steamed corn, vegetables, baked potato. Nothing like a few slices of potato with some eggs. Kids Corner with cereal, yogurt, toppings. Italian market. Let's see what they have. Eggs burrito, muffins, Nutella sandwiches, croissant, fried cheese. Yum. Good morning. Lovely way to start your morning. Dreams Dominicus in La Romana. This is the Deluxe Suite, tropical view, 1 bedroom, and that is a pull-out couch. And this is the beautiful bedroom with a king-size bed. Plugins for your devices are here, USB port. These beds are very comfortable, I can attest to that. And these rooms will have either a garden view or a pool view. And this is the bathroom. All the amenities I use the shampoo and conditioner. Very nice. So no need to bring your own from home. And a flat screen TV in here. We're in the Preferred Club Lounge, Beachfront. So when your room category has the name Preferred in it, you have access to a private lounge, some snacks for breakfast, hors d'oeuvres at cocktail hour. This is core zone for teens, so pool table, foosball, air hockey, very nice.
Hello, morning. What do you think? Wow, it's a male. A lot of people, right?
I already did my drink.
We're now in the Preferred Club family section. So these are 2 and 3 bedroom suites. So if you want to be close to your loved ones, grandma and grandpa, mums and dads, kids, this is the area. Isn't that a cute little water park for kids?